In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Jersey on BandLab. We'll keep it simple, punchy, and true to that bouncy Jersey club feel. First, set up your project in the mix editor. Set your tempo between 130 and 140 BPM. That's the pocket where Jersey grooves naturally sit. Make sure your time signature is 4/4 and switch your grid to 1/16 so programming tight, fast patterns is easy. Turn on the metronome if it helps you lock in, and keep your project organized by naming your tracks as you go. Start with the kick because that's the heartbeat of Jersey. Create a drum track and load a punchy kick. You want it short and staccato, so trim the tail if the sample is too long. Program a classic 16th note swing pattern. On a 16-step grid for 1 bar, place kicks on steps 1, 4, 6, 9, 12, and 14. Visually, that's K, Kate, K with Kate, Kate, Kate. Add a touch of 16th note swing in BandLab so the pattern bounces instead of feeling robotic. For more energy, layer your main kick with a clicky top or a tighter mid kick. Keep them perfectly aligned and make sure the combined sound stays short. You're after impact, not boom. Next, add claps or snares to shape the groove. Drop a clap or snare on beats 2 and 4 for a solid backbone. Then experiment with offbeats. Try small chops or placing a quick snare right after a kick to get that jerky, bouncing character Jersey is known for. Keep the claps tight and dry, or add just a tiny room reverb, nothing that washes out the swing. If a hit feels late or early, nudge it by a few milliseconds until it snaps. Now bring in the bass. Use an 808 or a clean sub bass. The key is to follow the kick rhythm without stepping on it. Keep your notes short and punchy, no long sustains. Set a quick decay and minimal release so the bass gets out of the way and lets the kick breathe. If your 808 is pitched, tune it to your root note and ride that same kick pattern, leaving small gaps so the groove can breathe. Level it so you feel the bass more than you hear it, sitting just under the drums. Loop your bar, listen for the bounce, and make small tweaks until everything feels tight, energetic, and unmistakably Jersey.